That camera.
Who you fucking with, nigga?
Maybe we can get one on the cell, you know, like maybe texting or something, you know?
I'm looking through the camera. It's showing everything. I didn't realize how close I was. It's showing me fucking
It's
far
alright,
away.
don't worry about it, bro.
Nah, I'm stuck on all you and shit. Like, I don't even know to hold you.
Like, dude, who gives a fuck? Step on me.
It's fucking nitric acid.
Hold on a second. Oh, what? You know I keep everything black. Black powder, baby.
Oh, man.
Me want some black powder, man. Give me that nice black pump. Hey, what did I say in one of my rhymes? It's I thank God for my what? My blackness? Yeah, thank God for my blackness. It's all about the black powder. It's all about that pump. The pump. To go.
Nigga, you get this fucking silliness the fuck out of your face, nigga. You fucking get that shit the fuck out of here, nigga. Give me some of these every now and then. When you feel like you've been doing the same thing too long, you switch it up.
Yeah.
Flex, give me something, nigga. You heal your fucking bodybuilding shit, nigga. Don't fucking put all the work in my fucking hands, man. Come on. Yeah. Stay there. Stay there. Just like that. Just like that. Stay there. Stay there. When I say stay there, nigga, that means stay there, nigga. That don't mean fucking take your fucking hand down, nigga. Yeah, stay there. Hold up, stay there. Come over here. Walk over here. Body fist up. Give me a mad bitch. That shit was ill, man.
It fucking got me sweating.
You ain't even doing much shit.
But I worked with the best today. So we flipped it. We in Southside right now and we doing our thing. It's gonna be a ride or die thing from here on out. If you with us, you with us. If you ain't, you just like the rest of them haters. And you can suck a D-I-C-K. You feel me?
Shit.
You feel me? And I didn't even complete my album yet. Cause once the album is complete and you know the real me, you're gonna see that I'm living through God Almighty and that anything is possible, G. Now watch me flip the microphone. Watch outside the place called home of Onyx, home of Lost Boys. Yeah, you ain't fucking with us cause we bring out the big toys. The AKs, the Mac 10s. You wanna fuck with us? From back then, we be getting it on, keeping it real, yeah. Go outside and you'll see mad blood spill. In the streets of New York, yeah, it all happens here. Southside Jamaica, Queens, we don't talk. It's all about the action.